Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this really cool shadow blur frame on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to select this one, I guess. And then you are just going to copy and paste it. So right click, copy, right click, paste. And then you are going to just adjust this a little bit. Actually, I think, no, you have to do this instead. You're just going to scale it, and on this this video, go to effects and go to video effects and go to lens and add in a blur effect to it. And you're going to just add this one on top. If you can't, just move it to the side first and then select these, right click, create compound clip, and add this on top. Then you're going to go to media, you're going to go to library, and you're going to add in a black background, and you're going to add it on top of the blurred video. If I could just do that, hold on. There we go. And then you are going to select mask and select rectangle, and you're just going to kind of adjust it a little bit like so. Then you're just going to feather it out like so. And that is basically it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!